Hi, in this video we are reviewing the DoubleTree by Hilton Islantilla Beach Golf Resort in Islantilla in the south of Spain. We have stayed there several times. It is easy to get there by car. We actually flew to Faro Airport in Portugal and then drove there. It takes about an hour from Faro. During one of our first visits, we stayed in room 247, which was a king deluxe room that you can see here now. And we're going to show you a different room in a second as well after this. So here you can see this room, really lovely room overlooking the pool. Here is a little welcome amenity, some fresh fruits and water, which was really nice, a really nice touch. And you can see it's plenty of space. Even they had a cot for our daughter there. That was great. And then here you can have some coffee. And here is the fridge, the mini fridge. We really like the location of the hotel because it's not far from Portugal. So you can also just drive over the border very easily and visit Portugal, which we really like. The hotel is really nice. As I said, we stayed there several times. And so for us, the location was great because it's really nice and near Portugal. So here you can just see the room, really good size. Let's show you the balcony as well. You can have a really good view over the pool from here. Really nice. And you can see also the resort. Really lovely view from this room. We can definitely recommend you this room. Now let's show you the bathroom and the wardrobe as well. Now here you can see the bathroom. You have a sink here, Crabtree and Evelyn amenities that are usual standard in Hilton hotels. Then here is a shower, good size shower as well, and the toilet. And here is the wardrobe. You can see there's an ironing board, hairdryer, and yeah, plenty of space as well to put your clothes away. And then on this side here, you can see there's some more space. And then over here, you can also have a safe, which is good to know. At another visit, we also stayed in a king 2-bedroom suite that you can see here now. It is set over 2 floors. First, I'm going to show you the top floor here. This is the bedroom, really lovely, comfortable, king-sized bed. Then you also have a bathroom, a separate bathroom up here. You have a sink and a bathtub, which is really handy if you stay there with kids. That is also nice to have. And the toilet is up here. Now let's go down. So this is the ground floor here. And you can see there is another bathroom that has a shower and another toilet, which is really handy, especially if you're a family of a few people. If you're traveling there, then it's always good to have 2 different bathrooms. Then here is the wardrobe up here. You can also see you have a variety of amenities, ironing board, iron, and a hairdryer as well. Then you have here some bathrobes as well. That's nice. Then here is the hairdryer. In here you also have a safe, which is handy to have. Then here is the mini bar as well, and you have a coffee maker as well, which is good to have, a little fridge here. Then this is the downstairs sort of seating area, living room, really lovely. And there's also a welcome amenity here with some water again, which was really nice again. And yeah, it's really nice to have this separate seating area from the bedroom. And it had a separate bedroom here, 2 single beds, which is also handy if you're there with kids. Another great advantage of this room, particularly of this suite, is that you have this outdoor area. You can put the sunbeds over to the grass and do your sunbathing. And this is all your little area, which is really nice. Now let's show you the breakfast buffet and also some other amenities around the hotel. Here you can first of all see the breakfast buffet. They had also, you could get yourself some omelette, fresh eggs, etc. It is a really good breakfast buffet. We were very happy with it every day. We also ate during the day at lunch. Usually in the afternoon we ate something at the Terrazza restaurant that's just opposite the hotel. I think it's part of the golf club. That's where we usually ate during the day, and we were very happy with it. We had a poke bowl and some chicken wings usually, and yeah, that was really nice for us because we had our daughter with us, so we were able to eat there during the day something. But here you can see some more of the breakfast buffet, and I'm going to show you some more amenities of the hotel in a moment. And you can see here there's rolls, there's yogurt, fresh fruit. It is a really good breakfast buffet, and we were very happy with it every time. Now let's show you around the gym and the pools. So first of all, you can see here, this is the gym. Has a variety of machines here. You can do running. There's also some towels here on the sides and a variety of weights, which is always good to have. Here you can see there. And you can also have a view over the indoor pool, because the hotel also has an indoor pool. I'm going to show you that in a second as well, and the outdoor pool. So here you can see there is the variety of weights. Good sized gym. This is the indoor pool. It is a really good sized pool, as you can see. I'm going to show you now the spa as well. The indoor pool, I think, is only available at certain times for kids, so you need to check that with the hotel beforehand. And yeah, here is the spa. You can see there's a nice sauna in here, good sized sauna, small but plenty of space, especially during the day when the golfers are out. You have some good space here. And here is a steam bath as well. I also had a massage at the hotel, and I can definitely recommend you that as well. Here you can just see the treatment room. Now let's show you the outdoor pool. Now this is the outdoor area, pool area. Really lovely. Up this end, it's also a bit shallow, so you can play with your little kids here as well without having to worry by the water. There's also plenty of sunbeds, as you can see here, and there is a little bridge, showers, etc. This is a really good outdoor area, outdoor pool area, and yeah, it is lovely, and you can have some really good views over the golf course as well at the end there. The golf course itself also looks really well maintained, and it has a variety of different areas. It looks really nice as well. We really enjoyed all of our stays at this hotel. It feels like a really great getaway, and you feel a bit tucked away from the world there, but you can easily go and drive to Portugal, which we also love because it's a bit more safe as compared to Spain. So we also like to go to Portugal from there, drive over the border and go to the beaches there. That's also really nice. And yeah, we can highly recommend you this hotel. It was a great stay. We've had great stays there.